Ain't no way. Jesse Older's on in it, fam. Anyway, we're gonna carry on with this game because I honestly have nothing better to do in life. Oh boy, I've got all these gems to spend on this 1 mega box. Oh, it's terrible. And I wasted gems. No. Nope, the nose does not help.
Looking for new Fortnite skins?
No, I don't want new Fortnite skins, mate.
There's a cool app called Skin8. You can play fun stuff like games, Fortnite quizzes, and even earn coins while you're at it.
But still, what I was meant to... The first rare, I got last. Also, the first super rare, I got 4th to last. I only have Larry and Laurie. That's my only epic. Even though I really want Mr. Prawn Ready Man. What? Like, I have a mythic and 2 legendaries. I don't know how life works. Anyway. What the? Hey, oh, well, looks like I have Lux. I've got a bonus and gems, nice. Because we 100% want these gems. They're the only lads in this game that I have in this, but not on my main account. Are Penny, Larry and Laurie, Doug, Amber and Kit. So you think you can stop me and spit in my eyes? So you think you can lock me out naked? It sounds like a Friday Night Funkin' song. Select your player, an Iranian or someone else. Well, how about I skip? What chances to get a super rare? Okay, about 6%. I mean, I've only got Carl and Josh left. So I think it's a pretty good chance.
Let me show you how it's done.
I was literally just talking about.
Massive
I was
off,
literally
it's
just talking
ready to
about
sizzle.
super rares. My God, I've got a first form of chromatic. Okay, I just want the super. I just want super rares and epics. Super rares and epics or epic 3. Okay, now I think I'll let me know. I guess I just want roller. Super rare or epic roller. Damn it. Okay, let's see. No, bonuses. This is the real life. This is the fantasy. Oh no, we'll post her up. Super rare. suppose I'm gonna watch an ad and get the Brawl
If you like
Pass.
earning Robux is full of scams, this method can help you. There's this cool app called Skin Ape.
How many skin apps am I gonna
Robux coins, and
get?
earn
This is like
coins
the
while you're
5th
at it.
one.
Then just swap coins for
Maybe even
rewards like
more.
official Robux gift cards. Yeah, let's snag this one. Wonder why it's totally free? Simple, they share ad revenue with you. And unlike many other free Bobux websites, there's no shady logins or passwords. Just grab the code and use it in-game. Tap below and join the hype.
I only really care about... I don't care about Bobux, I only care about Brawl Stars gems. So I'm a Brawl Stars YouTuber now. I got Brawl Pass. I got the Brawl Pass. Okay, so... That was terrible. I got the Brawl Pass, guys! I got the Brawl Pass! I got the Brawl Pass! Why'd you laugh for it? I don't know who that is. I'm just getting all my praises from the Brawl Pass. From last season. So we want gems. Mythic. Go! Go! Let's go! Okay, power points and fling. Oh nice, got some stuff. Fire and flames? I don't think that makes any sense. I don't think that makes any sense, Sam. Oh my god! Oh my god, oh nice, I got some credits. I want my name to be John, so I can get Phil's play titled, and then my full name will be John Star. I am a kit name here. Yeah, I can have some boxes. I'm taking in some boxes. It's not something. The last one, if it flashes, it's not something. I hate it when it doesn't flash. Flash, flash, flash. Thingy, please just flash. Ah!
Let's dive into this, Splat. Oh, did I smell tuna? Oh, did I smell tuna?
Okay, I'm gonna get Billy's kit.
Try the flip. Oh, did I smell tuna?
Oh! Did I smell tuna? Okay, then. Don't go wasting your emotions. Nice! Wait, what's the point of gadgets?
Summertime is the best time to play Rec Room. Let's do it, boys.
Let's go.
Fill up at the water station.
Everyone fill up.
Hey, oh! Hey, yo, is that a pike? Get the bananas. No.
Wait, what's the point of gadgets in this game? I don't know. It's not like you're playing actual matches, you're just doing nothing but opening mega boxes. If someone's played this game for about a year now, can someone please tell me? I'm so confused. Since I have no amusement bell.
My fizzle is ready to sizzle.
My sizzle is ready to sizzle. What are these fan-made voice lines? They're so confusing. I think the song playing in the background is a fan-made song. That's just Mortis! Well, I mean, actually, I'm just lads, but still. Mortis! Oh no, it's Top Hat. What was a shirt for some free offers? Is that the time? Steamboat Willie, what the fudge? What does that have to do with BitLife? Also, Steamboat Willie is not a real character. It's a thinking mouse. Goof. Can I say actually have a Galamoto skin? No, I'm not gonna spend my hard-earned gold on that terrible. I'm not gonna spend my hard-earned gems on that terrible Rockabiddy skin. You know what? I just want to view my cosmetics. Draco! I'm going shopping. I'm gonna get a message from the smallest Starbucks. What the fuck? Yes, land on the gems. Yes, thanks. That is not the gems. It's not, just a gem grab. Is this the game of bling? Do I just play the game to get as much bling as possible? Or these gems then? I'm so confused! Okay, click to get the reward. I think this is better when I'm not recording. I love gems. Oh man, I can flash. I just want the stupid thing to flash. Is it really that difficult, game? Just let my thing. Okay, this is getting absurdly long, but I'm just gonna quickly murder this guy and